You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. So that's the noise that a wooden floor, for example, would do, or an object that's usually made of wood. Or you're going to have a dashboard of a car can creak. Also, how to pronounce in English, the English pronunciation, the long E sound, creak. Yes, to creak. Or the floor, the wooden floor creaks under the weight of our steps. Creak. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.